What it is, what's up? It's your girl Sydney Marie, and I'm back with another video. Excuse me. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my eyebrows. It's not a tutorial, but it kind of really is a tutorial. So I'm going to be waxing my eyebrows, and I'm going to show y'all how like I fill in, conceal, and all that other stuff. So I already got my products out. I got my wax right here. I got some sticks right here. I got my strips here. And don't mind my nails because I was in the middle of taking them off, but I didn't feel like smelling the monomer. So I have a fresh face. My lashes is already done, but this is not a makeup tutorial. This is an eyebrow tutorial. So yeah, I really wish y'all could see how bad. Yeah, you can't even zoom in, but they look pretty bad. I might insert a clip of how bad they look. I'm really mad that you can't see. Okay, all right, so you can kind of see like the spruce of hair. Like it's, no, they look a mess. I'm gonna show you how to get them better. All right, so let's jump right into it. I done already brushed out my eyebrows. Right now, I'm just about to take my hot wax, testing it out, and it's like it's not really liquidy. I mean, it is a little bit, but you know, I can work with this. So after I test it, now I can go in, and I always start with the top of my eyebrows. And if I make any crazy faces, y'all, sorry. So I just drop it at the top first. Because you don't want to start too close to your eyebrow and get the wax on the top of there. All right, let me stop talking. Just look. I haven't waxed my eyebrows in like 4 weeks. I know you're supposed to wait till they some people wait till they're fully grown, but me, since I know how to do it, it's like I can't just wait. I can't wait that long. Sometimes I do. Like, I think it honestly has been more than 4 weeks, but yeah, it's time to get them done. Especially since I just did my hair. You know, it's only right to get my eyebrows on fleek. After I'm done my eyebrows, I'm ready to do my nails. That's why they look like this. So, you know, just press it. Oh, and I forgot to tell you. So you apply. You know what? Don't listen to me. So yeah, just press it. Fuck. And what I do is before I work it, I kind of pull my skin, like my face. You see my, yeah, like that. And boom. Okay, y'all see that? Yeah. And the next thing that I do is, you know, brush it up. And I also sometimes, instead of going and use a whole nother strip, you see like the wax residue, I just simply go and then throw it away. Next thing, brush out. Again, wax should not really be falling. It should be able to, you know, still be a hole, but you still should be able to spread it nice and smoothly. See, I hate doing my eyebrows with lashes on because sometimes the wax get on the lashes, like when I blink. I need to speak up. And this is a brand new stick. I didn't know. I do not use reuse the same stick. It's unsanitary. Getting wax in places that you don't want them is annoying as fuck, because this is honey wax, and you know honey is already sticky, so this shit is like extra sticky. And the bottom part is the worst part that I hate doing. So then you press this shit and you press. Oh my god. You pull. But let's see. You can kind of see the little hairs. And as you can see, I still got some wax right there. And a little tiny bit more. And some here. And then again, brush up. And the next thing I do, I usually do this at the end, but a lot of times I just already go ahead and I trim the top of my brows to get the hairs straight as possible, straight across. Any long extended hairs, like I really don't touch. I can't even see. And boom. So I'm not done. I'm not done this eyebrow. I'm just going to the next. And then after, you know, I make my last minute little tweaks that I want to do. Now I'm doing this one. Yeah, and press that shit. No. Y'all, this is the worst one. Like, this eye hurts the most. Let me just get wet. The faster I get a little wet, the faster the pain will go away. Oh my god. Alright. See. Get yourself together. You done this like how many times? I don't know why that happened. Maybe because I was procrastinating and knew I wasn't ready. Whew, fuck. Oh my god. God damn. This shit hurt. I'm not gonna lie, I almost shed a tear. Yo, I have seen some videos of people waxing their face. I'm gonna do it. But I see the difference. Let me see some. Alright. Again. Brush. Upwards. ass is a nuisance. So again, press, pull, rip. Clean bean. Yeah, I'm about to go snatch this fucking throw it out. Now, surprisingly, I really feel like I don't have nothing to take off this time. Like, I really did them perfect to my liking. So I really don't need this, but it's just literally a couple. Like, yes, they're perfect. Okay. Boom, boom. And then the last thing I really do is just take this after wax treatment. It's like an oil, another soothing spray. And I don't spray it on my face because I don't want the oil and stuff getting everywhere. I spray it on this. And again, wipe the area that was waxed. It also gives like a clean look. Look. I'm gonna show you in my next tutorial. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I style my hair. Any hairstyle that y'all see me with, done by me. Any nails y'all see me with, done by me. You see my eyebrows on fleek, done by me. And that is all for waxing my eyebrows. That is all I do. And you know, I come back every 5 weeks and do them when I feel like just enough hair has grown back. Do a quick little clean up. Now, I said I was going to do a tutorial, but this video was already a little long. I mean, but if you insist, I will. Clean that shit later because I'm not about to clean it right now. Yeah. So thanks for watching me show y'all how I fleek these brows, and you know, comment below if y'all want me to show y'all other tutorials, like hair tutorials, how I do my nails, what else, I don't know. Just comment below. There's some more things that y'all want to see me do. A lot of things that I do is done by myself, and I would love to share my tips and everything with y'all. So yeah, again, like, comment, subscribe, drop some video ideas. Now, that is something that I wanted to tell y'all, but I think I'm gonna save it for another video. Yeah, it's some big news. Yeah. So again, comment down below if y'all want me to share that big news in my next video, or I don't know. Yeah, just let me know. So, peace out.